Hey, hello Geminis. How you doing? This is Keep It Classy. Doing you guys story read. Hope you guys having a blessed week. Please like, share, hit the notification button to be notified when I post a video. If you want to be a member of my channel, hit the join button as well. Welcome new viewers. Please subscribe. I love to have you guys as subscribers. Sit back, enjoy this story read. Okay. Thank you for stopping by, checking me out. As well, you guys, check the description box below. Click on the link Fits Benefits Wear. Check that link out, all right? They have waist trainers for males, females. They have active wear as well, all right? Okay. Feel free to donate to my channel as well. My information is below. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be doing free random readings. So hit me up on that email that's below as well. And I will do a free random reading if you get picked. Okay. All right. I'll be doing Romance of a Lifetime reading. I'll be doing an angel reading and a story reading. Okay. So you can pick one out of those three that you want done. All right. And I will do that for you. Okay. So let's get some cards dropped. Hey, Gemini's energy. Hey, Gemini's energy. Gemini's energy. Gemini's energy. Gemini's energy. Oh, too many cards. I didn't realize I had that many. Okay, so we have the Four of Pentacles, Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the Seven of Wands, Fire, Sag, Leo, Aries, Fire, Ace of Wands, Air, Seven of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Six of Pentacles, Earth. Okay, Eight of Swords, Air, Four of Cups, Water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Seven of Pentacles, Earth. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so there's somebody that's holding on to somebody that wants to be with you. Or there's somebody that's codependent on somebody that wants to be with you. Or this person that wants to be to you is codependent and you're fending this person off. Yeah, you may see this person being too codependent and you're fending them off. But they hold a lot of passion for you and they're wanting a whole, they're wanting a passionate new beginning with you. This is a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn person you're dealing with. You're fending this person off though. You're blocking this person. And they hold a lot of passion for you. They want a passion, new beginning with you, but you see this person as being sneaky and conniving. You don't trust this person. You don't trust them. But they're wanting to work hard at rebuilding stability with you. Eight of Swords is here. You may be Hmm. You may be stuck in a cycle with this person. So maybe you're with this person. You're stuck in a cycle with this earth sign. I mean, yeah, yeah, you're in a cycle, or this is you. You're confused, or this person tried to confuse you, or something, or they tried to keep you stuck in a cycle of confusion, or something. They tried to blind you. They tried to keep you blinded. I think this is what this is saying. This person tried to keep you blinded, but you see right through this person. They tried to blind you and keep you stuck in a cycle, but of confusion. And this is somebody that you offered a cup to, or that you wanted to offer a cup to. You were even contemplating between this person and someone else. Um, Stability wise, looking toward having stability with this person, between this person and someone else. Or maybe this is, yeah. Um, Gemini's energy. Let's see. Or this person is offering you a cup, and you're not even, you don't want it. Gemini's energy. Or this is what this person did. They tried to blind you. I'm thinking, yeah. They tried to keep you in a cycle of confusion so you couldn't see who they really were. Okay, so the Page of Swords is here. Okay, air. The Eight of Wands is here. Fire. The Three of Swords is here. Air. The Ace of Swords. Water. I mean, the Ace of Cups is here. I'm sorry. This is the Ace of Cups. This is the Ace of Swords. So that is here too. Wow. The Wheel of Fortune is here as well. Let me get one more card. Fell out. The Star card is here. So that's Aquarius. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, you don't trust this earth sign. Okay, this earth sign, they may have stole from you, or you just don't trust them. They're sneaky, conniving, something you don't trust about this person. So maybe this is you. You're trying to rebuild stability. Maybe this is you. You're trying to rebuild stability with somebody you're in a cycle with, and you're offering a cup to that person. Or like I said, this person tried to confuse you, keep you in a confused cycle, had you blind. You weren't seeing the truth about this person. They were trying to keep you confused so you wouldn't see the truth about them. And this is somebody, I'm gonna say, you offered a cup to. You were offering a cup to this person. You were even contemplating between this person and someone else, but you found out this person was petty, drama. This person is possessive. Maybe they argue a lot. They have foul language when they communicate with you. The way they communicate with you, they started communicating you in a foul manner. Three of Swords. So you separated yourself from this person. You blocked them. You separated yourself from that person. This mm, this person was your fulfillment. You had wanted a success in a new beginning with this Gemini person, this Taurus Gemini. Yeah, you were hoping the wheel turn in your favor concerning this person. You were hoping, you know, for success and moving forward with this person. Or this is them. You separated yourself from this person, but they're your fulfillment. Um, you're their fulfillment, and they're wanting a successful new beginning with you. Okay, they're hoping the wheel turns in their favor on healing things with you. Okay, but at one time, this person probably was your fulfillment at one time, but you're theirs, and they're maybe at a loss without you. Okay, the Three of Swords, they're at a loss without you. Okay, you separated yourself from this person, but they're at a loss without you. You're their fulfillment. They're wanting a successful new beginning with you. Um, they're wanting the wheel to turn in their favor at healing things with you. Okay, so let me put some more on there. So then it'll go deeper. Just okay. Gemini's energy. Gemini's energy. Yeah, you notice this person is like possessive, jealous. They may argue too much, fuss too much. Something this Gemini. You see this Gemini doing. They changed right before your eyes, huh? Okay, so the Two of Wands, the Five of Wands, the World, Death, the Queen of Wands. This Taurus, okay, I'm just realizing this Taurus has Gemini in their chart too. You have Gemini, and this Taurus has Gemini, but they're more Earth. I'm just saying because this card depicts their attitude. They keep tabs on you. They watch you close to this person. They may be riding by your house, stalking you. Okay, anyway, Two of Wands. This person may have chose um you over fire sign. Or this person is choosing to move to your vicinity. Or they want you to choose. Oh, okay. This what it is. This person, they want you to choose. They want you to choose, make a choice between them and whoever you were contemplating between them with. But this person fusses and argues too much with you. You argue with this earth sign too much. It's a lot of fussing and fighting. Or this is them, or they chose a fire sign. They chose you over a fire sign because them and the fire sign were fighting and fussing too much. So they ended a cycle with that fire sign. Okay. They ended a cycle with this fire sign to have a new beginning with you. They may have went through some type of, yeah, but ending. But you may have ended. Oh, okay. So they're coming in wanting you to end things with a Leo. So you may have stability with a Leo. So they're wanting you to end things with a Leo. They ended the cycle, so they're coming wanting you to end the cycle with a Leo, with whoever you have stability with. It may be a Leo you have stability with. They want you to end things with that person. It could be a Scorpio Leo person. Yep, that's what's going on. Yeah. They ended the cycle to have a new beginning with you. Now they're wanting you to end it with whoever you with. Because they're wanting stability with you. And this is them with Leo in their chart. Because they want stability with you. Okay, so let's clarify these cards and see what's get a clearer picture of what's going on. Okay, so clarify the Four of Pentacles. Clarify this Four of Pentacles in Gemini's energy. Clarify the Four of Pentacles in Gemini's energy. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Somebody's holding on to you because they value you stability wise. You may do a lot for this person. You may have spoiled this person. You may have given this person money or something. They're codependent on you. So, yeah. Yeah. So this has them wanting to charge for it successfully with you, but you blocking this person. You fending them off. You fending this person off. Clarify the Seven of Wands. Yeah, they could have fire in their chart as well. They could have Sag, Leo, Aries. Yeah, Leo. I think they had Leo in their chart. Clarify the Seven of Wands. Okay, the Hangman. Okay, yeah, you fending this person off, so things are stagnant between you and this person. They have Pisces in their chart. So they're trying to figure out how to get this passionate new beginning for you. This person holds a lot of passion for you. Ace of Wands. Clarify the Ace of Wands in Gemini's energy. Okay? Yeah, they're waiting. They're waiting for a chance to get this passionate new beginning off the ground with you. But you don't trust this person. You walking away. You walked away from this person. You blocked them. You walked away from the situation because you don't trust them. They may have tried to steal from you or stole from you something they did to you. But you do not trust this person any longer. Okay? You don't want nothing to do with them. Clarify the Seven of Swords in Gemini's energy. Okay? So the King of Swords is here, but they're standing their ground. They're not giving up on trying to be with you. Okay? They believe that you and them should be together. They believe you're the one for them. Okay? The Six of Pentacles, yeah, they're wanting to work hard at rebuilding stability with you. Clarify the Six of Pentacles. Clarify the Six of Pentacles. You know what? You may have this, oh no, that could be them. I was going to say you could have Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn in your chart. Okay, so the Queen of Swords, yeah. But you got your guard up. You cut them off. You don't want nothing to do with them. That's Aquarius energy, air energy. Yeah, you cut them off. You want nothing to do with this person. So you got this Aquarius in your chart. Yep, this person tried to keep you in a cycle of confusion so you couldn't see what they were really about. Clarify the Eight of Swords. Clarify the Eight of Swords in Gemini's energy. Okay, the Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So they're contemplating on how to offer you the cup, get you to accept their offer that they're coming want to offer you. They're contemplating. They're sitting there trying to figure out how to get you to accept the offer they're coming in with. Clarify the Four of Cups in Gemini's energy. Okay, they're in love with you. This Gemini is in love with you. I mean, they're in love with you, Gemini. This is you, lovers. They're in love with you. Okay, this person has water in their chart as well. Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. So I'm gathering their Pisces. They have Pisces in their chart. Um, yeah, here they go again. Seven of Pentacles again. They're contemplating on how to get you to accept that offer. And they watch you closely. They keep tabs on you. You know, they keep a close eye on you. This may be somebody you may be with that clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Clarify the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Yeah, they're contemplating on how to get you to accept the offer because they see themselves being, oh, they don't want to lose the stability, Queen of Pentacles. And they see you as abundant, nurturing, you know. So this somebody you may already be with, but you just block this person. You don't have nothing to do with it. You send them off. So this could be somebody that you are living with, okay? Or you could even be married to this person. I don't see no married cards. Or you could just have stability with this person. You take care of this person maybe. But they did something to make you mad, so you fend them off. But they watch you very closely. They keep tabs on you. Clarify the Page of Swords. Clarify the Page of Swords in Gemini's energy. Okay, the Devil card. They're very obsessed over you, Gemini. Okay? They're going through a struggle, with you ignoring them, blocking them, not paying them no attention. Okay? They're ready to move forward with you quickly, in healing things. They're ready. They may send you a message. They may communicate this to you. You're going to get some communication from this person. Clarify the Eight of Wands on that they're ready to move forward with you quick. Yeah. They're gonna offer you, they're planning, plotting how to offer you some type of stability so you guys can move forward quick. Okay, that's what it is. Yeah. They're planning and strategizing how to offer you something so y'all can move forward quickly. Page of Cups is here. Hmm. They may tell you something you weren't expecting them to tell you. Hmm. I'm wondering if it's a child. You're gonna find out this person has a child or something like that, a secret child maybe. I don't know, but they're gonna tell you something you weren't expecting them. Oh Lord, this person may. Oh, if you're a male, this person may just to move forward with you. This person may tell you that they're pregnant, and they're not really pregnant. They may tell you this because they're at a loss without you. They no longer want to be separated, so they're gonna fabricate something to get you back because you're their fulfillment. So yeah, they're gonna tell you something that's gonna shock you. I think they're gonna tell you they're pregnant. Clarify the Three of Swords. Clarify the Three of Swords in Gemini's energy, just to try to hold on to you. Clarify the Three of Swords in Gemini's energy. Okay, the Six of Cups is here. Yeah, they think about you a lot. You stay on this person's mind. They feel like you're their soulmate. They feel bonded to you. Okay, you're their fulfillment. Clarify the 6 of Cups. Clarify the 6 of Cups. Okay, the Strength card is here. Yeah, they want to heal things with you, and they're gonna communicate to you that they want to move forward successfully in a new beginning with you. Clarify the Ace of Swords. They want your forgiveness. Whatever they did, they're gonna ask your forgiveness. Clarify the Ace of Swords in Gemini's energy. Okay, just because they ask you to forgive them, that don't mean you have to move forward with them, Gemini. Okay, yeah, they miss being the privilege. You had this person feeling abundant, and they miss that. You may have spoiled this person. Up here it shows, yeah, you spoiled this person. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune in Gemini's energy. Okay, King of Rods. You innerly satisfy this person. They're expecting the wheel to turn in their favor. And again, they see you as their fulfillment. And the love making is very good. Okay, clarify the Star card. Now they're hoping for success. And they see you as the star, a star. They see you popular, successful. You may have a business that's popping or something you're doing. They see you as very successful. They see you as abundant. They see themselves being abundant with you. You spoil this person. You're their star. Clarify the star. Clarify the star and Gemini's energy. Okay. The Two of Rods. They may have chose you over a fire sign. Or this person, um, hmm. If this person isn't living with you, they may be choosing to move with you. They're hoping they may be at a distance from you and they're moving to where you are to get this success. Or they chose you over a fire sign, like I said. Or they want you to choose them over an Aquarius. If you're dealing with an Aquarius, it's either one of those. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. So here it is again. They want you to choose them, or they just want you to make a choice. Okay, it could be they just want you to make a choice and choose them. You know, Grandfather Two of Wands. They want you to make a decision and choose them. Okay, yeah, they're waiting on a decision. They may just be waiting on your decision, and they're depressed. When it comes to you, they're depressed. This person cries at night. They're highly emotional over you. Or they could have chose you over somebody else. And it's a secret. Okay. So this could be just somebody. I'm gonna say this is just somebody you may just used to do things for. You just do things for this person. You weren't. This is not somebody you was living with. This is somebody you used to do stuff for. You used to take care of them, give them money. I mean, you used to help them. Maybe they was in need of money and you used to help them out here and there and stuff. And they want that back. And they may have been dealing with someone else. Maybe they had you in a third party because it's showing here they chose you over a fire sign or a water sign. Yeah, Five of Wands is here. Maybe they was confused between you and a fire sign at one time. but they ended that cycle with that fire sign. Maybe they used to argue a lot or something like that. That's why the Five of Wands and Gemini's energy. The last part, yeah. Okay, a star card is here. Okay, they were confused when it came to you. They were innerly conflicted when it came to you. Or maybe they chose a water sign over you or something like that. Something. Hmm. And the world card is here. So they ended a cycle to have a new beginning with you. So they ended something with somebody. Clarify the world card. Or they just ended a cycle. Oh, okay. So they ended a cycle where they were betrayed and backstabbed in. Or you ended this cycle with this person. You may have ended a cycle with this person because they backstabbed and betrayed you. Oh, okay. So you may have wanted this person to make a choice, but they were innerly conflicted when it came to you. So you ended the cycle because you felt betrayed and backstabbed by this person. And that's why you're not trusting them up here. So maybe that's what it is. Okay, so they didn't end the cycle with the person. Maybe they chose this water sign over you or something. Or something. Okay, death card. Yeah, you wanted them to end. Okay. They didn't end things. You may have wanted them to end. You wanted them to end things with a water sign, but they didn't. So you can have stability with them. Okay, that's what was going on. It's one of them. So you felt like they backstabbed, betrayed you? Let me know in the comments. Somebody felt betrayed. Or either this is them. But it's you're the one that don't trust them. So maybe this is you here. They didn't end the cycle. You expected them to end the cycle and start anew with you, but they didn't. Because they were confused about you. They were innerly conflicted. They didn't know who to choose. But you wanted them to make a choice between you and someone else. Okay, clarify the death card. Somebody wanted somebody to make a choice. I know that. Clarify the death card. Clarify the death card in Gemini's energy. Okay, yeah. But they didn't end the cycle. Okay, or you ended it. You just ended it with them. And you started a new beginning. Or this is them. You expected them to do this, but you felt betrayed because they didn't end the cycle with you so you guys could have a new beginning of stability. And this is how you see this person, seductive, sexy, You wanted stability with this person. But they were cunning and sneaky as well. You see them as cunning and sneaky. Clarify the Queen of Wands. So they have the fire in their chart. Okay. All right. Yep. So you loved everything about this person. You were in love with them. You seen yourself being with this person. You seen yourself being married to this person. This was your empress in your eyes. Husband or a wife. You seen yourself having a family with this person. They may have Libra in their chart, but yeah, this was going on. So they didn't end it with someone. They had somebody else. You were dealing with somebody that already had someone, and they didn't end the cycle with them. or they were dealing with someone. They may have been like dealing with someone like they was dealing with you, and you wanted them to leave that person alone, but they wouldn't. You want them to end the cycle so you guys could be in a committed relationship and with stability together. But they didn't do it. They were inwardly conflicted between you and this other person. Okay, so comment below. Let me know. Yeah, the bottom part was kind of tricky, but I think that's what's going on. But yeah. Yeah, but this person is wanting you back. But you don't trust them. All right. Okay, Gemini. So you guys like, share, hit the notification button below. Join my channel if you want to become a member. Hit the join button. Subscribe, new viewers. Check out the description box below. Check that link out. Feel free to donate to my channel, you guys, and feel free to hit me up with that email if you want a free random reading. All right. Love you guys. Be good.